Hello guys, we are back with our next set of series. In this series, we are going to start the fourth unit of road safety engineering, guys. Okay, so this unit we will be covering the various topics in which we will be trying to manage the traffic, guys. So that is the main goal of this particular unit. Okay, yes. So first, let us go through the integrated safety improvements. So where we can do some kind of improvements. Okay, so here we'll be going through some examples, guys. Okay, so the first type of treatment or first type of solution which we can do is nothing but single site treatment. So from the name only you can say, so at some particular point you are going to try. So basically it might be some road inside, it might be some area like that, right? Yes. So improvement signing, so carriage way marking. So basically at some point you are marking some lines. Okay, similarly road structure treatment, so at that point only you are treating the road surface. Similarly lightning improvement, so applying street lights you are building there. Okay, so alternative to alignment curbs and islands, so you are building something. Introducing of a signal control or a mini roundabouts, so basically all these you are doing at some particular place. So that is a nothing but the single site treatment, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea. Okay, so the next is a nothing but a mass action. Okay, so mass action means in some more places, right? Yes. So lightning improvement, so basically in some areas you are doing. Similarly anti skid surfaces, so basically the roads could skid, right? So due to rain or due to water stagnance, so you are making them into a normal way without any skidding. Similarly red light running cameras and few more things. Okay, similarly we can do route action planning also. So basically route action planning means, so in terms of routes and all those things, sorry, it's not route, it is route action planning. So like speed limits, maintaining speed limits, speed control measures. Okay, so side road closures. Okay, cycle routers. Okay, so these are some things. Similarly area action plan, so in some particular area you are doing now. Okay, so speed zones, road coordinations, mini roundabouts and all those things. Okay, yes. So these are some basic improvements which you can do, guys. So based on a single site treatment or a mass action plan or a route action plan or area action plan. Okay, so these are the four different plans you can say which you can write in your examination, guys. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture we'll be going through the traffic calming scheme, guys. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.